Hey everybody, it's Josh from the Underground Garage. I wanted to do an update on the twin turbo Mustang. For those that don't follow the channel, this is a 1993 coupe Mustang. It's got a 5.3 liter Chevrolet engine. It's a late model LS engine from a truck. It's got a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a pair of small Garrett turbos. I was able to take the car out to the local 8th mile track and kind of get some shakedown passes on it. On 10 pounds of boost, the car ran a handful of 760s right at 100 miles an hour. Here's some video of that and some of the time slips. I did make one pass on 16 pounds of boost. On 16 pounds of boost, the car went 7.1 at 107. For comparison purposes, the last time I had the car at a quarter-mile track, the car went 10.8 at 135. When it ran that time, it went 7.2 at 106. So I was a tenth faster in the 8th and a mile an hour faster in the 8th than I was when the car went 10.8 at 135. So that's good. The car's getting faster. I still haven't tried coming up on boost at the line. I haven't tried hitting the tire or anything like that. So that's next. See if I can brake boost the car, build some boost at the line, hit the tire a little bit, and really see if we can get the car to turn some good times. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have a good day. Thanks.